Give me small one water like
One water no dey. You man not sure if you want water.
Give me small water.
One water no dey. Go. Water no dey. Water no ever dey.
You cannot find no.
Go. Now you tell me waiting for me. Come on here, buddy. Go.
Okay.
1 week later.
Hey.
Hey, what's my problem? I tell you, what's the
Una to come. I start to come. Una to come. Una come.
Big boss dey come go dey. Big boss dey back go dey. You no get respect na me.
Mommy, it's confusion business.
Now left for the first for whoop now. Now no see me a very nice guy, me a man with no bad. You understand? And the other door I will pray for now. Me not a bad guy. Una know me, but una no fetch now. You are the big one for God. Una no fetch. God no let me see now. No. Today. Give me all do. Now left for the fetch not far. Then
See my life today.
Nice guy, me I no get problem.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. What I'm inside.
I do fine. Just look, I got something for you.
Yeah. No, the one guy. Moses too good. Oh man, Moses, you don't change your.
Bible so for do good to the wicked people and for local enemy then. So I don't do what the Bible say.
I hope say not to me now you enemy will give me this stay also.
I don't give the.
No, I hope say not to me now you enemy because when you talk to indirect, I know say not to me now the enemy.
I don't say so, but I don't.
No, I guess not to me now the enemy. I don't wicked. I don't wicked you.
I make my number you.
Who say you remember?
Last week Sunday I go church. One water
no dey. You man not sure if you want water this morning.
One
water no dey. Go now.
You cannot find no.
I know not tell you too much for you. Go. What are you doing? Come on.
Dinano.
Hey! I beg, keep your advice to yourself, wicked man.
Hey, what are you doing, wicked man? They left me 2%.